Welcome back. This is the third video of our vSphere Troubleshooting series. In our previous video, we delved into the VMware vSphere Troubleshooting Toolkit. If you missed it, don't worry. You can catch up using the link above. In today's episode, we're learning our exploration of the first tool in the vSphere Troubleshooting Toolkit. It is References and Documentation. To uncover insights about concepts, processes, known issues, and troubleshooting tips, let's take a closer look at some of the key reference sources available to us. Mainly, we have 7 reference sources. Let's discuss one by one. The VMware Knowledge Base is a repository of detailed articles, guides, and solutions addressing common issues, troubleshooting steps, and best practices related to VMware products and technologies. You can browse VMware Knowledge Base articles based on popular products like vSAN, NSX, vSphere. This page has more VMware Knowledge Base articles categorized with support topics. For example, if your ESXi host is not responding, you can check knowledge base articles related to host not responding issues. It offers in-depth explanations and step-by-step instructions to resolve technical challenges efficiently. VMware Documentation provides comprehensive guides, manuals, and reference materials covering all aspects of VMware products and solutions. It includes official documentation for vSphere, vCenter Server, NSX, and other VMware products. It is offering detailed insights into configuration, deployment, administration, and troubleshooting procedures. VMware Blogs serve as a platform for sharing insights, news, updates, and best practices related to VMware technologies. Written by VMware experts, engineers, and community members, these blogs cover a wide range of topics, including product announcements, feature highlights, industry trends, and real-world use cases. VMware community forums provide a collaborative environment for VMware users, administrators, and experts to interact, share knowledge, and seek assistance on various topics related to VMware products and technologies. Users can post questions, share experiences, and contribute to discussions, fostering a vibrant community of support and collaboration. You can join VMware community forums using your VMware Customer Connect account. The VMware Compatibility Guide is a resource for verifying the compatibility of VMware products with hardware, software, and third-party components. It allows users to search and validate compatibility information for servers, storage devices, network adapters, operating systems, and virtualization platforms, ensuring smooth integration and interoperability. If you want to find the supported VMware version for the Dell R740 with processor Intel Xeon Gold 6100, you can check the compatibility as follows. According to VMware compatibility metrics, the selected server supports VMware version 6.5 U3 to 8.0 U2. Product interoperability articles provide insights into the compatibility and interoperability of VMware products within complex IT environments. If your environment includes multiple VMware products such as vCenter Server with VMware Site Recovery Manager, vRealize Operations Manager, and many more, you can check the compatibility using these metrics. For example, you can verify the compatibility of vCenter Server and Site Recovery Manager. According to Matrix, vCenter Server 7.0 U3 compatible with Site Recovery Manager 8.6, 8.7, 8.8. Additionally, this page provides VMware product update path. You can directly update vCenter Server from version 7.0 to 8.0 U2. However, you cannot update vCenter Server 6.5 U3 to 8.0 U1 directly. vSphere release notes offer detailed information about new features, enhancements, bug fixes, and known issues in the latest release of VMware vSphere. They provide valuable insights for administrators and users upgrading to vSphere, highlighting important changes, compatibility considerations, and upgrade procedures to ensure a smooth transition to the latest version of the platform. As we wrap up, remember that references and documentation serve as your compass in the world of vSphere troubleshooting. By leveraging these resources effectively, you'll enhance your troubleshooting skills and master the vSphere environment. You can find the source URL in the description. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the second tool of vSphere troubleshooting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.